Now, this is our last presentation, and our speaker is Professor Heekwan Lee from Incheon National University, who will speak about platform and capacity building for Asia air quality management through the UNDP Clean Air for Blue Sky Asia project. Can I give the short introduction? Okay. Professor Lee is an environmental engineering professor and leading major research and international collaborations on air quality and climate solutions through the Incheon Innovation Cluster, KOICA's Climate and Environment Training Program, and the Institute of Environmental Convergence Technology. So please welcome Professor Lee.
Okay, thank you for your nice introduction. And personally, I mean, I've been coming over to Bangkok like more than 10 years. And then definitely I'm having fun, a lot of fun, like with the city mine and some other local partners are here and with nice food. So again, yesterday I arrived here on like a late Monday, and then I did sometimes whole day here on yesterday and this morning. And then, it's been really nice, like, and then about a month ago, I was invited by one of the organization in Mongolia, give some talk on this, what are the environmental collaboration something. And then it was kind of academic. So that I was asking them, say, anyone from the industry, and there was none. And then about 3 weeks ago, I was here again, and it was kind of the association conference symposium something, and it was mainly for like the industrial park. So I was asking, say, anybody from the university? There's none. And the meeting here yesterday and today say we fully agree on that. Say we will need to do something with the air quality improvement, no doubt. And then, from the beginning of sorry about your name, but she was pointing out, like I said, at the end the stage, like we need health care. How come? Right? So that again, the reason I'm telling you this is that like we have very good like the scientific research and experience and the information already for like understanding the air quality and inventory analysis and modeling and doing some like what are the health impact analysis. Then what? Right? So the whole this the again, we understand we agreed to improve the air quality, but we have nothing. So that what has been missing. We need understand this momentum, and then there might be some like the function to do something in the field in practice. So again, I know some of you are here like, from the industry of the air quality monitoring technology. How about the mitigation? So like I'm going to review a little bit, but again, my record, the proposal suggestion is that maybe for next year, please invite the actual industry who is going to be working to mitigate air emission based on your discussion here. So again, throughout this whole discussion, we are running this program with the Korean government, Ministry of Science, no, the environment. And then CABSA is the name of the governmental program to support. And then I'm leading this program like the AAQ management. So again, we have started like 5 years ago with some like the three countries like the Thailand and Cambodia and Laos. And then there was the one domain, and now we are in stage 2 for like we are expanding like more countries. But again, the whole story is very similar to the other cases. And then why not? To have another one to help each other. And then again, including like the satellite information, we are very similar way to repeat like the same process starting from the air quality data analysis and emission inventory and modeling. But again, what we are trying to do is we are trying to add up one more step, how to mitigate the emission by inviting some like the field industrial collaboration That was the ultimate goal of this project. So again, for the information wise, we are trying to propose to share this idea to the public. But again, mainly on this part, definitely the idea of the EANET is very sounds like interesting. And again, only this year we had also doing some like a workshop here based on this. And then again, the throughout this work, what we are trying to do is to share our experience and also help each other. But again, definitely we are not missing about like any practical participation and the support engagement from field industry. That is what we are trying to do. And if I may, and during the panel discussion, I may try to add up some more on like the innovation class work. Okay, thank you very much.